Hey, today I'm going to give a demonstration of Simulink Target used with the Arduino Mega 2560. I have a block diagram. The first block is analog input pin 1 on the Arduino, and the Arduino processes values, voltage values on the pins, input pins, as integers between 0 and 255. So what I'm doing with the gain block is just relating the input value between 0 and 1023 back to the voltage, rounding that to give me a discrete value between 0 and 5, and then I'm multiplexing that with the repeating sequence. The repeating sequence is a ramp that goes from 0 to 2 pi over a period of 1 second. So when I multiplex that, I get U1 and U2, which I then multiply together and use to control the frequency of a cosine function. So what this cosine function is doing is it's subtracted from 1 to output a value between 0 and 2. So when the frequency is 0, the output is going to be 0. The Arduino output uses pulse width modulation. A 100% duty cycle is selected by choosing a value of 255 to send to the output pin, and a 0% duty cycle correlates to a value of 0. So what I'm doing is dividing the output of the sinusoidal function, which ranges from 0 to 2, I'm dividing that by 2 and then multiplying by 255, rounding it to discretize my values, and then I'm outputting that to the Arduino. So my output will be a sinusoidal function with a frequency between 0 and 5 hertz. So yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and upload that to the Arduino, and we'll see what happens. So this is the Arduino Mega, and my setup is a potentiometer that goes into the analog input pin 1 and a 5-volt source on the Arduino. So when I adjust the potentiometer, the Arduino is going to read the voltage input between 0 and 5 volts. The LED is on pin 12 and it goes to ground, and it will indicate the sinusoidal output. So the program just uploaded. When I adjust the potentiometer, it should go from 0, which it is currently 0 hertz, with an amplitude of 0, to a 1 hertz, then a 2 hertz, and up into 5 hertz discrete frequency outputs. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust the potentiometer and see if it works. Okay, and that does appear to be 1 hertz. And it looks like 2 hertz, so I'm going to keep turning it all the way up and get 5 hertz. So it seems to be working. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks.